Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to unlock the Mermaid in Crossy, one of the coolest secret characters in the game. The Mermaid isn't available in the regular prize machine. To unlock her, you need to play near the river areas in the game. So you need to play where the river area are. Then, while crossing, keep an eye out for the mermaid while swimming in the water. Swimming by in the water. The key trick is to jump onto her as she appears. If she appears, jump onto her. Timing is everything. If you miss her, you will have to wait for the next appearance. Once you successfully land on her during your run, the game will unlock the mermaid at the end, adding her to your collection as a playable character. So while playing the game near the water, you might see the mermaid character roaming around. So if you hop onto her back, you can unlock the mermaid character if you finish the game that you have hopped into her. So patience is important because the mermaid doesn't show up every run, but once you master the timing, she is yours. And that's how you unlock the mermaid in Crossroad. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Crossy Road secrets, and comment below which secret character you want me to next cover, and I'll see you in the next one.